What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube channel. Basically how to start on YouTube from scratch. So first thing you need to do, you need to create a Gmail account. Or if you're already on the YouTube page, you can click on sign in. And then you'll need to click on create account. And just for myself. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to use my YouTube name. And right here, you need to click on create a Gmail account instead. And then click next. And right here for the phone number, it's optional. So I'm just going to leave it blank. Recovery email, also optional. Then click next. Scroll down, you can read through the terms and conditions and then click agree. Okay, once you're logged in, what you need to do, you need to click on this logo and then click on your channel. And right here, we need to click on use a business or other name. Otherwise, it's just gonna use your first and last name. And for the brand name, I'm just gonna name it Untitled Chapter. And I click create. And you'll have to have a phone number to verify your account. And if you don't, you can just click back, go back, and then create a channel just using your first and last name. And then you'll not have to verify your account with your phone number, but you can do that later. I would really recommend to do that later. So once it's done, this is my channel name. So then we need to go to YouTube Studio Beta. Then click got it here and close here. So this is your dashboard, videos, analytics, comments, transcription, and other features. Also right here, there's settings, news, feedbacks, and you can go to the classic creator studio. So it's up to you either to use their new studio or you can use their classic. I'm just gonna click on classic. And right here, they want you to leave a feedback. I'm just gonna click on others and submit. So on this dashboard, you can see your videos, you can see your watch time, your views, and your subscribers. So to upload a video, you need to click on this little camera and a plus sign and then click on upload video. And then right here, click on select file to upload. I'm gonna upload from one of my videos that I created earlier. It was one of the tutorials. Click open. And right here, you need to put title of the video. So this is just an example. This was some kind of how-to video. So I'm just gonna leave it how-to. And right here is the description for your video and tags. And for tags, you'll need to type the tags that matches your video. So for example, if this was a how-to video, you can put how-to and maybe how to activate Windows or whatever this video is about. But that's how people will find your video. You'll have to put tags. Once it's done, you can choose your video thumbnail. Usually it's gonna give you about 3 different one of them. Choose which one you like the most and then click publish. And once video is published, you can click on YouTube Studio Beta. It's gonna take you back to your YouTube Studio. And right here, you can see your first video is posted. You can stay in Studio Beta, but I'm gonna click on Creator Studio Classic. And once again, right here, this is your video and you can click on Video Manager. If you have more than one video, it's gonna show you every single video from your list. Then you can do live streaming here, community, your channel. So right here, to get monetized, you're not eligible right now, but you can click on learn more and it's gonna tell you what exactly do you need before you can start monetizing your content. I think you have to have 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 hours of watch time, and then live streaming and other stuff that you can enable here. Then analytics, this is gonna show you basically your analytics for your channel. I don't really have any analytics because I just created this channel. And right here, translation and transcription, and then create. And I think this is the free music that you can use or sound effect for your video, and you can actually monetize and you'll not get banned or get a copyright strike. So this is basically it. That's what you need to do to start your YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, you can write them down and I'm gonna try to answer or create another video about it. Thanks for watching.